Hello everyone, today I want to talk about someone very special, my teacher, my hero. My teachers help me learn new things. I am so grateful for her work. Our special teacher, you teach us letter one by one. You make learning so much fun with game and song and stories too. We love coming to learn with you. You have us grow, you have us try. You have us so we can fly. Thank you, teacher, every day for guiding us along the way. In school, my teacher teaches me how to read, how to write, and do math. My teacher make me fun things, sings and drawing. If I do something well, my teacher says good job or great job. If I do mistake, my teacher says don't worry, try again. On Vietnamese Teachers' Day, I want to make a card and give teachers flowers. I want to say thank you to my teacher. Happy Teachers' Day and goodbye.